So let's transition now to like running a 7-figure flipping and wholesaling company, a 7-figure net profit flipping and wholesaling company. Like, how do you guys make over $1 million net flipping and wholesaling a year?
How do we do it? Oh man. I would say that it's the boring stuff. It's the consistently doing very similar things over and over and over again that I got really good at, and then I could teach other people how to do it. But I would say our best skills are going to be the sales. I think that's really where it comes down to, is our sales skills and creating that. So our sales guys are freaking monsters. And we do sales training every Monday. We actually do sales training for Wealthy Investor on Wednesdays. But I would say that's like our number one skill. And then honestly, just setting up systems, processes, and then narrowing down. That was the biggest thing for us, was narrowing down on what exactly we're going to do. Because if you're rentals, you're wholesaling, you're flipping, you got subject to, you got all these different options, it actually becomes very confusing for the acquisitions people, for everybody else to decide what to do.
That's funny.
So we got rid of all of that, and we said we're going to flip and wholesale only. So you evaluate them all exactly like that. So honestly, I would say simplifying and creating processes so everybody knows what to do and has no question to where I should not be needed as much. That was the biggest thing that helped us to get to that 7-figure mark, because that's the most interesting thing, is in 2022 was when we hit the first million mark. And then this last year, we brought on more people, we did more deals, and then we made around the same money. And so I'm like, all right, like we got to figure something else out, because it was honestly easier in 2022 for me personally, because we were very focused, smaller, less people, and less energy, and we made the same amount of net.
Yeah.